Rise and shine, start your day right. Good morning. Let's get ready to rise and shine. First, wake up at a consistent time each day to regulate your body clock. Let natural light in to help wake up your body and mind. Hydrate. Start your day with a glass of water to kickstart your metabolism. Stretching for a few minutes gets your blood flowing and wakes up your muscles. Deep breathing can reduce stress and increase oxygen flow to your brain. Make your bed. This small task can give you a sense of accomplishment to start your day. Practicing gratitude can improve your mood and set a positive tone for the day. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast to maintain energy levels throughout the day. Now, you're ready to take on the day with positivity and energy. Rise and shine, and make today amazing. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.